Discharge overcurrent protection. This is the discharge overcurrent protection test. Start the load. When the discharge current reaches 120 amperes, the BMS automatically controls the circuit to enter the protection state after 60 seconds. The current is over 120 amperes now. After 60 seconds, the load will stop running. Now the load stops running. After 30 seconds, the load will be automatically restored. The load auto recovery now. When the current reaches 150 amperes, the load will stop running after 10 seconds. The load stops running now. After 30 seconds, the load will be automatically restored again. The load auto recovery now.